If your iPhone keeps ringing with unknown numbers, spam calls, or scam calls, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to stop most of them using tools that are already built into your iPhone. No apps, no payments, just settings you probably never touched. Let's start with the most powerful one. Open your Settings app, scroll down and find Phone, then tap it. Now scroll a little bit and look for an option called Silence Unknown Callers. Turn this on. What this does is simple but extremely effective. Any number that is not in your contacts will no longer ring your phone. You won't hear it. Your screen won't light up. You won't get interrupted. The call is sent straight to voicemail. So if it's a real person, they can still leave a message. You can listen later and decide if it's important. But if it's a robocall or a scam, your phone stays silent. For most people, this single setting reduces spam calls by more than half. Now, let's make your phone smarter. Stay on the phone settings screen and tap Call Blocking and Identification. Here you'll see options from your carrier. Depending on whether you use AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, or another carrier, the names might look slightly different. Turn on everything related to Business Call Identification, Carrier Call Identification, Spam, or Junk Call Detection. These features allow your carrier to label incoming calls. Instead of just seeing a number, you might see telemarketer, scam likely, or a business name. That alone makes a huge difference because you can decide instantly whether to answer or ignore. Now open the phone app. Go to Recents. Find a number you know is spam. Swipe left on it. Tap the small info icon. Then tap Block Caller. Or even better, choose Block and Report as junk. This does two things. First, that number can never call you again. Second, it sends a report to your carrier so they can block it for other people too. Every time you do this, you help the system get smarter. At this point, many people already notice a big drop in spam calls. But in the next part, I'll show you how to take this even further using your carrier's free tools and, if needed, one final option that almost completely stops spam calls. If you're still getting spam calls after using the built-in iPhone settings, it usually means the calls are being blocked too late, right before they reach your phone. The next step is to stop them earlier, at the network level, before they ever get to your device. Most carriers already give you a free spam protection service. Open the App Store and search for your carrier's name. For example, AT&T Call Protect, Verizon Call Filter, T-Mobile Scam Shield. These apps are made by your carrier and are usually included in your plan at no extra cost. Install the one that matches your network. Once you open it, it will ask for basic permission to manage calls. Accept those prompts. What these apps do is simple but powerful. They block known spam numbers before your phone even rings. They also update automatically as new scam numbers appear. You don't need to open these apps every day. Once they're set up, they work silently in the background. For many people, this completely solves the problem. But if you're still getting flooded with robocalls, there is one final option. Go back to the App Store and search for Call Blocker. You'll see apps like RoboKiller, Hiya, or Truecaller. These are third-party services that maintain huge databases of spam numbers worldwide. They analyze call patterns, block fake numbers, and even filter spam texts. Most of them offer a free trial. Install one, go through the setup once, and let it run. These apps work at a much deeper level than the basic iPhone settings. They catch calls that change numbers constantly, which is what most scam systems do. You don't have to keep them forever. You can try one for a few days and see how much quieter your phone becomes. And if you don't like it, you can simply uninstall it. The key thing to remember is this: spam calls are not something you just have to live with. Your iPhone already gives you the tools to stop most of them, and your carrier gives you even more. Once you combine silence unknown callers, call identification, blocking and reporting junk numbers, your carrier's spam protection, your phone becomes a lot quieter. Instead of reacting to every ring, you get control back. And that's exactly how your iPhone is meant to work.